Get noticed in this 2006 Chevrolet Suburban. If you're looking for an automobile with great attributes, look no further. With a powerful 8-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission, GPS navigation will guide you to your destination. Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. Get advanced listening benefits from the premium sound system. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. This car has separate passenger temperature controls. Let the sunshine in with a sunroof. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.